do I know what's right for me?
That is the question, isn't it? And it is difficult to know with all these different options what you're going to connect with. So that's why it's so important to start getting out there. We can do some of that research with you so that you know what the different options are, and then we start going out and looking at different housing options, seeing what connects with you both emotionally and financially. And that's a really good point as well, because we want to understand your finances so that we know what makes sense for you. Does it make sense to take all of those maintenance costs and roll it into an HOA so you're not paying for separate snow removal, you're not paying for someone to come and mow the lawn and different things like that, so that it's a monthly standard payment that you can budget? Or maybe, that's not a concern for you. It's really about just the type of house and the style and the feel and what is going to be right for your lifestyle.
So this is an exploration stage. Obviously, we talk about a lot of finances. We'd never share any personal information with anyone. But the more we know, we can help you. So it's important to set up an appointment and schedule a time to outline a plan.